What's going on, guys? It's your host Jacque Brandon Phillips, and welcome to Digital Cove. And today, as you saw from the thumbnail, what we'll be going over is creating YouTube ads. And guys, I'm actually going to show you how to create a YouTube video without showing your face and also without using a camera. So you're going to want to stay to the very end. And I'm also going to give you guys a link to a free tutorial on how to actually get 90% off a $100 voucher for your YouTube ad, so you don't want to miss it. So if that's something that you're interested in, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button now. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, first things first, what you want to do is sign up for your Google Ads. It's ads.google.com, as you can see in the upper left. So once you do that, you're going to go into the back end of your campaigns dashboard. And so you just click on campaigns and click this blue icon. Click on that and just click new campaign. And so what you want to do is, depending on what your business is, let's just say, for example, it's website, let's say it's e-com, right? So you're selling yoga mats. So that's going to be our actual store for this demonstration. So we're going to click on sales, then we're going to click on video, then we're going to click on continue. And then what we're going to do is, of course, maximize conversions. And let's just title this yoga mats. And what I typically do is I'll just actually type in the date. So we're going to do 3, 10, 20. Maximize conversions, and there's target CPA, but keep it as is. Daily budget. Be whatever your budget is. So let's just do $10 a day. And then you have delivery method. Again, guys, this is just the basics. Again, this is just for beginners. So just to get you going, there's your standard and there's accelerated. All that really means in a nutshell, guys, is that it's going to like force your ads as fast as possible on the accelerated version. The standard is going to stretch it out. So but yeah, so moving on right along, networks, languages, and let's say that let's go to networks first. It's gonna keep it on YouTube videos, which is perfectly fine. And then we're gonna keep on languages, keep English, and if you're bilingual, then you can add Spanish as well. Locations, if you're just domestic, just keep it United States. If you're an e-com store, you can, you want to just do it in other countries as well. You can do, let's say that you can sell in Canada. If I can spell Canada, then you can do Australia. These are gonna be your tier 1 countries, of course. United Kingdom. You had your countries there. Moving right along. You can leave that as is. Your demo. If you're just targeting females, all you have to do is just unclick that. And then your age group. If you know your age group very well, again, you can uncheck those boxes. And then you can also target their income as well if you choose to. And then also audiences. So let's say we just type in yoga. So yoga apparel, you're gonna click that. Fitness classes and personal training services, you can click that if you choose to. Active wear, exercise equipment, click that. Fitness products and services, you can click that. Move right along. Keywords. So I don't think yoga's gonna pop up, but try it anyway. Hit enter. Oh, I did. Cool. So you can select all these ideas if you want. Again, as a beginner, just do this, but you want to actually add in some negative keywords as well, just so you're not getting anything and everything for your keyword searches. But this is a good start for you guys. But again, like if kids yoga doesn't pertain to you, knock it out. Yoga leggings in the UK doesn't pertain to you, knock it out. You could do See, yoga mat pops up. There you go. Add all those ideas as well. So that's audiences, and then topics. Type in yoga and Pilates, select that. And then placements. Just gonna keep it as is. Wouldn't even touch that. So what you want to do also is create a YouTube channel. And so let's say that this is the back end of mine, but let's say that you created one, you go on YouTube and let's see. You sign in, you create your account. I'm everywhere right now. Alright. So you sign in, you create your account. All you do is hit create, upload video. And then you're gonna upload your video to this. It's a select file, it's gonna search it for you. And then you just select your video, you're gonna upload it. And the reason why I'm showing you this, guys, is because what's gonna happen is you're gonna grab your URL, your link, you're gonna copy this, and then you're gonna paste it. It's gonna find it that way. So then at that point, you're gonna have like your URL, your final URL of your yoga mat e-com store. So let's say it's yogamats.com, display yogamats.com, call to action, shop now. Headline is 20% off your mats, or 20% off mats. And then you can kind of like toggle on this and see how it looks with your Google partners. But on YouTube, that's how it's going to look. So this is going to be the pre-roll. So if you ever go to like a YouTube video and it starts rolling already at the beginning, that's what this is going to be. So then here's the desktop version. But yeah, guys, that's really how quick and easy you can actually start deploying your YouTube ads for this. And again, I'm going to show you right now how to actually create a video without using a camera. So what we're going to do is go to PowerPoint. And I've already downloaded 4 different images for yoga. So that way I can just kind of like breeze through this to help you guys out as fast as possible with this thing. So what we're going to do is actually do this. And this method should take you about maybe 10 to 15 minutes, if that. But all you do is you're gonna insert images of your business or your store, and then you're gonna do this 4 to 5 times. Let's see. Download. So you could do a full bleed if you want to. Again, because I'm just breezing through this, but take your time with it. So to do 2 more. I'm gonna build out this video real quick for you guys too, so you guys can kind of see how it's gonna be developed. Let's see. And one more. Downloads. And bam. All right. And then once you do that, because so on this one, what you could do, make it full bleed like the rest of them, and then you're gonna add a shape. select the bottom, and then you can just type in like whatever you want. So you can say a versatile yoga mat, or 20% off yoga mats for a limited time only. But just do this, of course, make it look nice and clean and everything, but do that for like each one of these slides. And then once you do that, all you're gonna do is do file, save as movie, call it yoga mats. So right now it's rendering the 4 slides together. And again, at the very, very last one though, you probably want to have a call to action telling them where to go. But really it's that simple. And let's see if it's done. Alright, cool. So hit play. And that's it. Like, it's really that simple, guys. So then you would take this video, and then again you would upload it to your YouTube channel, and then once it generates the URL link, which you see right here, you're gonna snag that, and then you're gonna again just upload it to that section like we just did in this one. And then of course you're gonna point the traffic to wherever your site is to get your sales. And that's really it, guys, for the yoga YouTube ad. It's really that simple, clean, easy. If you have any questions on anything, please leave a comment below or email me. More than willing to help you out. But yeah, guys, again, I'll leave a link below for your 90% voucher, 90% off your $100 voucher for your Google Hours account. That way you can have some play money for your YouTube ads and get your sales and get you going in the right direction for your business. So, but yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you enjoyed it, give me the thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.